channel. I know I haven't posted in about 2 weeks, but I'm gonna be uploading this week. So I already have my nail stands on since these are a custom set for me, and I'm just going ahead and trimming the nails to the length that I desire. After that is done, I'm going to take my nail file and I'm going to file around the perimeter of the thumb. I use the size 0 because I ran out of nail sizes that fit my thumb, so I'm just going to file it to make it shape my nail. Once I make sure my nail fits, I'm going in with my drill using a 180 sanding band and removing the shine off the back of the nails. Once that is done, I'm taking my pointer finger and I'm just going to remove the shine off of the whole nail because I will be using clear acrylic on this one. And I'm going in on majority of the nails except for the pointer and the middle finger, and I'm just applying 2 coats of the polish, starting at the middle and going downwards, and after each coat I'm curing it for 60 seconds. After that is done and all the nails are dry, I'm just setting up for my acrylic. I have 2 paper towels, my dapper dish, and my monomer. I'm using the Young Nails monomer, just 1 capful. And then the brush I'm using is a cleansing brush, size 8. And the acrylic powder I will be using is the Mia Secret Clever Rose and the Mia Secret Clear. Here I am just preparing my bead of acrylic. I dip the brush in the monomer and swipe 2 to 3 times, and I'm applying a bead to the top of the nail and brushing downwards and applying smaller beads as I go to fill in any gaps. and then underneath the nail. Now I'm just going in with my nail drill and filing along the top of the nail and filing the two pointer and middle fingers. Once all of the filing and buffing is done, I'm just going in and I'm going to paint the pointer finger all pink, and I'm doing a French tip on the middle finger. After the nails were cured for 60 seconds, I'm just going in and applying another coat of polish to the pointer finger and curing it for another 60 seconds. Once that is done, I'm applying my top coat and then curing it for 60 seconds, and then that is the end. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Here is the finished product.